Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Once again, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Lecture and Pharmacy. Hi, my dear brothers and sisters. Today, as usual, I had discussed with you in the yesterday's post means how the question papers means how your answer sheets are get corrected by the university. My dear brothers and sisters, one simple formula is there. Okay, to correct your answer sheets by the university means the candidates who are selected as the supervisors. Okay, in simple, see here, if you wrote everything means no need to worry. Now I will tell how your answers are get corrected. Okay, your faces will be smiley because of positive attraction in your mind. Okay, just starts that how your answer papers, how your answer sheets get corrected. So my dear brothers and sisters, watch the video until last, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel. And my dear brothers and sisters, please support me. I need your support. Okay, because your support, your positive comments will encourage me to make the more important videos for you. Okay, and for third semester students who are in third semester now, for them I had made a one beautiful plan for them. Okay, a beautiful plan. And if you follow that plan, my dear brothers and sisters, definitely you will pass the all subject in third semester. Okay, totally four subjects are there in third semester, very easy subject. If you follow that pattern, okay, if you follow that pattern means easily you can pass in your examination. Okay, no need to worry about that. Third semester students, I am requesting them to please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, with your cousins, with your brothers and sisters. Please my dear brothers and sisters, it request for you, I'm requesting you to please share this video. Okay, because these videos will be very helpful for you for the third semester especially. Okay, very important sessions, very important questions I am uploading inshallah in upcoming days. Just wait for that. You don't worry about third semester. Yes, let's study. See here, just I have take one question paper of the pathophysiology, second semester B pharmacy. Okay, here see how your answer paper gets selected. Means supervisor correct your answers for 75 marks. As you are looking for 75 marks, the paper was conducted. And here the first means a long essay. See my dear brothers and sisters, in this long essay, two questions you have to write, answer any two they have asked. Okay, 20 marks. It is old pattern, it is old pattern. Let's look for the new pattern. Yes, this is the new pattern. See my dear brothers and my dear sisters, long essays. In these first question they will give or means you have to write any one from these two. Now they explain etiology, pathogenesis and morphology of the reversible cell injury. Means first you have to write, you just remember my points, it is very important. Okay, because many students don't know how to write the question, how to write your answer. See here, first what you have to do means first you describe what is the cell injury. Clear? For 10 marks I am telling. Next you write types of cell injury. Basically two types. One is reversible and irreversible. You just explain that reversible cell injury as well as irreversible cell injury. Got it? After that they are particularly asked etiology means causes, pathogenesis and morphology of the reversible cell injury. Isn't it? Then you come across the causes for this cell injury. Which one? Reversible cell injury. You put a main heading for that. And what they ask in the question, no, you just make them box with your black pen only. Okay, don't use the blue pen. Black pen is compulsory for this degree examination. You just put a box for that etiology. Then you write about that etiology. After writing the etiology, it's better to write the symptoms for that. Okay, symptom means a redness, hotness on the surface of the injury. These all are some basic symptoms. Then you write pathogenesis, very important is it is. You just make one box for this pathogenesis. After writing the pathogenesis, my dear brothers and sisters, explain that flow chart, means the pathogenesis chart, you have to explain that in your own words. After this you have to write the morphology of the reversible cell injury. Morphology of the reversible cell injury, this is the simple. And if you write this whole and soul means definitely they will give you 7 marks, or maximum they will give 8 marks. Okay, rather than or greater than this 8 marks they won't give you if you write the whole and soul means. Okay, because the question is the question carries for 10 marks. If you wrote everything means they will give 8 marks maximum. Then the next question same as it is. For an example, take define angina pectoris. Okay, heart disease. First you have to explain that what is this angina pectoris. You have to write some of the causes. Then you see their types. Angina pectoris types, then causes, then symptoms, pathogenesis. Okay, complications, you have to write the complications. Either they won't ask in the question, but you have to write that because these all are known, guessed. Okay, we can guess it that complications you have to write for the 10 marks if they ask means. Then as usual, pathogenesis flow chart. Same way the third question, types, metabolic disorder, now diabetes mellitus, same way. Now let's come across the 5 marks. Okay, all the question paper patterns are same. All if you take any question paper in B pharmacy, the question paper correction pattern is the same. Now in a short essays means in second main, 7 questions, each question carries 5 marks. Total they will give 9 questions. You have to write the 7 questions. Okay, and these from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these are compulsory questions because from previous year they had made this rule. Okay, 3 and 4, these in these you can make choice. Now see, list out the chemical mediators and the role in process of inflammation. Here the question is simple. First you have to write what is this inflammation. Very important. Okay, inflammation, you have to write it. After that inflammation, if you know, you can write the causes and symptoms. Generally, okay, or 2 to 3 causes, 2 to 3 symptoms, it's better. Then you have to list the chemical mediators. Some of the chemical mediators like histamine, serotonin, nitric oxide. Okay, nitric oxide. Then cytokinesis. These are the some chemical mediators, and you have to explain those chemical mediators in a short or in detail way if you know means. Then the process of inflammation, how the inflammation starts. Okay, how the inflammation starts, the process, you have to know that process. If you write these all means you will get 3 and 3 means 4 marks maximum, you can easily score it 4 marks. Okay, the same, the other questions are the same means pathogen signs and symptoms of Parkinson. Now see, I will took one more question, that is Parkinsonism. You have to write first the definition of that Parkinson. While uploading the videos on the epilepsy, Parkinson, schizophrenia, I have told you, whatever they ask, first you write the definition of that particular disease or disorder. Now, Parkinson, CNS disease, you have to write that. After that, you have to write the types in that Parkinson. After that, you have to write causes, signs and symptoms, pathogenesis. Clear? This is enough for the 5 marks. And one more important thing, you have to underline or you have to make box for what they have asked particularly. If they ask pathogenesis means you have to box that, signs and symptoms box that, causes box that, or etiology box that. Okay, you have to maintain this in this manner. And one more very important thing, if you don't know the answer means you just write what you have listened in the classes. What you have listened in the classes, you just start writing that, you don't worry about. And for 10 marks they will give 5 pages. At least you have to write, my dear brothers and sisters, 4.5 page. Okay, to get 8 to 7 marks, 4.5 page you have to write. And in 5 marks they will give you 3 pages, you have to write 2.5 pages at any condition. If you wrote 3 pages means very good, well and good, excellent. But if you wrote 2 pages, 1 pages means they will give just 1 or 2 marks. For 1 page they will give 1 mark. Okay, for that reason I am telling, one of the toughest university, it is a Rajiv Gandhi University. The checking of their questions, 2 to thrice the question paper, answer paper gets corrected. For that reason, so don't misuse, don't lead the questions in a very easy way. Just you have to explain whatever you know, what you understand in the concept in your class. Same way, got it? The next questions are same. Here see, they ask explain pathogenesis of AIDS. If you wrote directly the pathogenesis means they won't give you the marks. First you have to write the AIDS, what is this AIDS. Then you have to write the virus for that. Okay, yes, AIDS is a viral infection caused by the virus, HIV virus, immunodeficiency virus. After writing that HIV transmission, you have to write transmission means by transferring of the needle, by sexual contact. These all are the some of the transmissions. After that you have to write the causes, etiology for this AIDS. Etiology is equal to genetic or the transfusion, it is also one cause. Then symptoms you have to write. Okay, symptoms. After that you have to write, my dear brothers and sisters, pathogenesis. After writing pathogenesis you can explain that, it is the main concept you have to write and underline that. Okay, or you put a box for that. Yes, this is the simple and quiet explanation about your 10 and 5 marks. Now let's move over to 2 marks. See, 2 marks are different, simple question. If they ask apoptosis and necrosis, just explain what is this apoptosis and necrosis. Okay, simple way you can explain this very easy. And factors affecting wound healing, you have to explain some of the factors. And just you don't write by putting comma, just write one by one, down beside down, because making points help the supervisor to give you more marks, because when you make the points, no, the supervisor will think that this student knows good, he is a knowledgeable person in this subject. See, the student, the teacher, or the lecturer, or the supervisor, or the your answer paper corrector, he or she will always knows your talent in the exam, knows your knowledge. They won't see what you which books you referred, which videos you referred and wrote. No, they will see your knowledge in term of the concept. If you know the concept in your own words, you describe, you don't worry about that, in your own words. My dear brothers and sisters, and there many, these are the simple words which we use in our day-to-day life. You just explain those in your own words. If you explain those in your own words, means you can easily get the marks, maximum marks. Okay, that's the main concept here to write the degree examination. And especially for B Form students, you can easily pass. You can easily pass the examination, you don't worry. Okay, and for third semester, one more time I'm repeating, third semester students, my dear brothers and sisters, so please subscribe my channel. And if you are new to this video, like, comment. If you having facing any doubt, means comment. If you are, no, sir, we are not resolving our doubt by asking in the message, text, you can call me. I will give my number in the description. You can call me, my dear brothers and sisters, okay, for your doubts. And inshallah, in upcoming classes, let's discuss about the most important questions in third semester, and with notes. Okay, the question with notes and with a detailed explanation for that. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.